All right, everyone, get ready for a decentralized smart contract powered by a web ecosystem. You might be wondering what the heck I'm talking about. We're taking AI and the best of DeFi, putting it together, and this is AIUnityHub. So we're going to jump into this, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right. So we have amazing blockchain solutions. You can discover the potential right here with decentralized applications. And we have solutions built all around you that are tailored to your needs. So what specifically is this? It's completely driven by smart contract knowledge. Every process is automated, governed by blockchain. Every transaction and all activities are verifiable on chain. And it's built to empower users through what? Decentralized and community-driven modes. So it's completely decentralized, completely for the team, and it has sustainable Web3 growth. With 2.5 billion total value processed, 1,200 in decentralized apps, and 98% satisfaction driven by transparency and security. And you can discover the power of AIUnityHub features. It's completely decentralized, as I said. Users interact directly with smart contracts. All transactions and data are recorded, and it's code-based and automated agreements. Plus, the platform operates and runs automatically smart contract logic. And we can see the infrastructure here with the blockchain network, Web3, decentralized, on-chain, smart contract, community-driven. It's transparent, no manual control, and is very simple to get started. If you do not have a Web3 wallet, I would recommend setting up one. You can connect your wallet through wallet like Trust or MetaMask, select any package available. Then you just simply go ahead, and once you've accumulated enough, your funds are locked in directly. Smart contract, there's no manual control. As I said, it's completely decentralized, and all earnings are generated automatically. And then we have withdrawal rewards principal according to smart contracts. And some of the solutions are smart contract automation through blockchain-based smart contracts. You also have web-based access through Web3 or Trust Wallet or MetaMask. On-chain transparency where withdrawals are recorded. Automated through earnings and distribution, secure smart contract architecture and smart contracts, protected by blockchain security, and it grows through community participation. We have the roadmap with smart contract architecture, security core smart contract contracts, and also public platform launch, performance optimization, and community expansion. And you can join everyone in the future of enhancing Web3. Just that excited with Haze Crypto BSC scan. And this is powered by Web3 specifically to promote transparency, automation, participation. You do it on Instagram, WhatsApp, and you can even follow them on YouTube. This is AIUnityHub. Let's go. So here you can see the business plan. It's completely decentralized, as I said. It's community-driven, decentralized technology, and the vision is to create an open environment where innovation, collaboration, and blockchain are powered to come together and support. Also, we have blockchain solutions where you specialize in creating blockchain that is tailored specifically to your needs, making sure you stay ahead of the curve. It's 100% smart contract based, transferable, verifiable, and there's no individual or entity controls. Plus, we have the ecosystem with a wallet-based login, real-time earnings, transaction history, auto ROI, referral deduction, and even referral-based expansion and equal opportunity, with withdrawals handled directly by smart contracts, 95% sent instantly to the wallet. But why do it? You get the BNB chain powered, 100% decentralized, transparent, secure, it's community driven, and all UnityHub never holds. They never hold user funds. They always remain full control of their wallets. And we can see the investment packs here with the starter, daily ROI, profit amounts right here, and even the speed pack with the different investments. So pick one that suits what you want. Now just know that profit is shown ROI only. Principal amount is separate and withdrawal. And also daily ROI is paid automatically and no admin control. It's fully decentralized. We can see the income levels from level 1 to 8 for the total clubs. And you can even get daily rewards as well. Based on that, they're auto deducted and 95% goes directly to your wallet. And it compounds. When you choose to compound, your earned rewards are added as well. A total amount is active in the system. We can see the compounding bonus plus the bonus itself, and the process is simple. You install your Web3 wallet. As I said before, you select the smart chain, add funds, then open official website, connect your wallet, choose one package, activate, and you've successfully joined. And that is it, guys. It's as simple as that. So get excited, jump into AIUnityHub. I think you'll really, really enjoy it, and let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.